Hi, this is our class, 4 of SOD. We are from Santa Joaquina de Vedruna School in Seville.
We are going to bury the time capsule in the playground to go to Oxford as a class, because it's our dream. All that brings luck.
This is a selfie stick to take selfies with a phone.
And this is a drawing of Elsa from Frozen, the Disney film.
This is a medal from a brotherhood of El Rocío's pilgrimage.
These are pictures of a Christ and a Virgin from a brotherhood of the Holy Week in Seville.
We also want to put a scarf and a t-shirt from one of the best teams of Spain, Seville Football Club.
And this is a flag for supporting the school's football team, which won the final last year.
V12 siempre presente.